Good day, Miss Jelly Joy. How are you today?
I'm fine, sir, madam.
Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir, madam. I'm Jelichoy Galieta, 31 years old. I am married with one son. My husband is a cell phone technician in Abu Dhabi. I have one brother and two sisters. My father is deceased and my mother is housekeeping. I am high school graduate. I was worked as a domestic helper in Kuwait for 3 years since September 2011 until April 2015. My major duties is baby care, age newborn and up.
Okay, so can you tell now your daily activities on how you take care of the baby?
Sir, madam, I have to feed the baby, change diaper, taking a bath. I love baby very much. I treat the baby as my own child. I hope, sir, madam, will consider to employ me. I promise to do my best to serve your family. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam.
Okay, and then aside from taking care of baby, what are your other duties from your previous employer?
Sir, madam, I can also cleaning the house and cooking while my employer around.
And what are the reason why the baby is crying?
Sir, madam, maybe they're hungry, their diaper is wet, and they need somebody to comfort them.
And do you know how to cook?
Yes, sir, madam.
What kind of dishes you can prepare?
Filipino food, Arabic food, and Chinese food, sir, madam.
Do you know the responsibilities of being domestic helper?
Sir, madam, the responsibility being a domestic helper is always follow the rules of your employer and do the household duties like cleaning, iron, and washing.
And why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Sir, madam, I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to support my family and for my son's future.
Before we end, do you have any last message for your future employer?
Sir, madam, please take me as your housemaid and I promise to do my best and I promise I finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you very much. And hope to see you soon in Hong Kong. Before we end, kindly share your best.